बहुत सारे इमिग्रेंट्स जो थे वो यूएस आए थे और अपना काफ़ी सारा सामान यहाँ पे लेकर आए थे।
195 सीढ़ी मैं तो नहीं चढ़ने वाला।
हेलो एवरीवन, सो हम लोग आ गए हैं स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी की पार्किंग में और हम जा रहे हैं स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी देखने। तो हम लोग जाएंगे फेरी से, फेरी हमको लेके जाएगी स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी आइलैंड पर, है ना ईशाना?
Visiting Liberty Island is one of the most rewarding experience of any trip to New York City. However, we advise you to book the tickets in advance for this attraction. For ticket booking, you can go to National Park website where you can find the Statue of Liberty. They have authorized Statue City Cruise. They are the only authorized ticket seller for the Statue of Liberty, National Monument and Alice Island. So we have purchased their ticket from Statue City Cruise only. The link is already provided in National Park website and I have also provided the link in the description of the video, so you can just check the description and click the link. You can take your ferry either from Battery Park, New York or Liberty State Park, New Jersey. So we have already decided that from New Jersey we will be going to Niagara Falls. So we are already in New Jersey, so we are taking our ferry from the Liberty State Park. We are embarking on a journey to one of the most iconic symbol of freedom and hope in the world, Statue of Liberty. The ferry ride offers breathtaking views of Manhattan skyline and statue herself, standing tall and proud in harbor. In this ferry ride, our first stop is Alice Island. Between 1892 and 1954, over 12 million immigrants passed through the gates of Alice Island. It served as a primary entry point for immigrants arriving in United States, making it a crucial hub of American immigrant history.
तो ये एलिस आइलैंड म्यूज़ियम है और यहाँ पर 20th सेंचुरी में जब यूरोप में बहुत ही अनसर्टिनिटी थी और इकोनॉमिकल अनसर्टिनिटी चल रही थी, तब बहुत सारे इमिग्रेंट्स जो थे वो यूएस आए थे और अपना काफ़ी सारा सामान यहाँ पे लेकर आए थे, जो कि अभी तक यहीं पे पड़ा हुआ है। Over 12 million immigrants were entered in.
अरे किसका बॉक्स, उसका नाम भी लिखा हुआ है। एवेंजिला का बॉक्स है ये। एवेंजिला ए वारिया का बॉक्स है।
लिबर्टी जाने के पहले अगर आपने अपनी जर्नी में एलिस आइलैंड को ऐड किया है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपको बहुत सारी हिस्ट्री देखने के लिए मिलेगी। क्रूज़ यहाँ पे रुकती है, आप यहाँ पर जितना टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहें वो आप कर सकते हैं और फिर दोबारा क्रूज़ पकड़ के आप स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी जा सकते हैं। ऊपर करो और ऊपर करो। ओके, हाथ हटाओ, हाथ हटाओ। ओह, नहीं होता वो, दूसरा वाला खोलो, दूसरा हाथ हटाओ। Where would you live when you arrive? फार्म हाउस में रहते थे। चलो आ जाओ। देखो ईशान, पुराने समय में ऐसे रहते थे।
As we wandered through the halls of Ellis Island Immigration Museum, we were struck by the stories of resilience and hope engraved into these walls. From the processing room where immigrants underwent medical examination to the registry room known as the Great Hall, where families were reunited after long and difficult journeys, every corner of Ellis Island tells a compelling tale of immigrant experience. Here you will find so many pieces from history. We were really excited to see all those passports of immigrants who came here in America at that period of time. They have framed all these pictures from history on their walls. You can see worker working here and their remuneration at that time. So much to see, so much to understand from history. So after finishing our amazing tour of Ellis Island, now we are heading towards Liberty. And now the moment we have been waiting for, approaching the breathtaking Statue of Liberty herself. Do you know that Statue of Liberty was a gift from France to United States? It was dedicated on October 28, 1886 and since become a universal symbol of freedom and democracy.
सीढ़ी चढ़ना है या एलिवेटर लेना है? They're asking. पेडेस्ट्रियन एंड क्राउन के एंट्रेंस पे, तो यहाँ पे क्लियरली उन्होंने मेंशन कर दिया है कि 195 स्टेप्स से अगर पैदल जाना है और एलिवेटर है तो यू हैव टू ऑप्शंस, या तो लिफ्ट से जाओ या सीढ़ी से जाओ। 195 सीढ़ी मैं तो नहीं चढ़ने वाला, सो लेट्स वेट फॉर एलिवेटर।
देयर इज अ वेटिंग लाइन फॉर एलिवेटर। Me and Ishana, we want to go from stairs. है ना Ishana? Are you ready to go with 195 steps?
I don't think so.
Okay.
वो 10 सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ने के बाद बोले कि पापा प्लीज गो।
मुश्किल हो जाएगा, तो हम एलिवेटर का वेट कर सकते हैं।
मुझे तो लगता है बिना मास्क के भी थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा, क्योंकि वो 195 स्टेप्स जो है वो काफ़ी खड़ी चढ़ाई लग रही है मुझे।
ओके,
सो
लेट्स सी हम जाके वहाँ पे फ़ोटोज़ ले पाते हैं कि नहीं, क्योंकि अभी बाहर बहुत बादल आ गए हैं, अचानक से मौसम पूरी तरह से बदल गया और बारिश होने वाली है। तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जब तक हम पेडेस्टल तक पहुँचेंगे तब तक बारिश स्टार्ट हो चुकी होगी, तो नेवर नो।
Our first stop was pedestal area, where we had the incredible opportunity to get up close and personal with this iconic monument. Standing at staggering 305 feet tall, Statue of Liberty offers panoramic view of New York Harbor and beyond from her crown. Though we didn't get a chance to go above to the crown because it was closed, but from pedestal area it is breathtaking. As we entered the pedestal area, I gazed at the skyline, marveling at the architectural wonders that define the New York City. We noticed a sudden change in atmosphere. A gentle breeze turned into a strong wind. A distant thunder echoed across the water. The storm was approaching very fast, and once clear sky began to start darkening. The first raindrop began to fall. At first they were light and refreshing, but soon turned into a heavy rainstorm. Despite the sudden change in the weather, we felt a sense of peace and wonder. The storm transformed the whole atmosphere, adding a dramatic flair to our visit. Lightning cracked in the distance, illuminating the statue in brief flashes. So we hurried towards the base of statue, hoping to explore before the rain began. And somehow we managed to click our picture with Statue of Liberty. Rain has started, but our adventure didn't stop here. So we are going to Statue of Liberty Museum. We are making our way to the museum located within the pedestal, delivering deeper into the history and significance of the Statue of Liberty. From the original conception by the French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartoli to the symbolism behind her iconic torch and crown, the museum offered a fascinating glimpse into the statue's story's past. This statue stands 305 feet tall from the ground to the tip of the torch. In 1984, the Statue of Liberty was designated as UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing its significance as cultural and historical monument. Do you know the original color of Statue of Liberty is not green? When the Statue of Liberty was first unveiled in 1886, it was a shiny copper color. Over the year, because of oxidization, it has turned green into color. When the rain finally eased, we ventured back out onto the island. The air was fresh, ground washed clean, and the city skyline slowly emerged from the mist. The sun began to set, casting a golden hue over the statue and the harbor, painting a picture of beauty and strength. as the day drew to close, we couldn't help but feel grateful for this opportunity to experience such an iconic landmark from that close. The Statue of Liberty stands not only as a symbol of liberty and democracy, but also a testament to the enduring spirit of American people and the millions of immigrants who have contributed to fabric of this nation.
और ये हमारी पार्टी थक गई है, देखो थक गई है, अपने आप को बस घींचते हुए चल रहे हैं, जैसे तैसे अपने आप को रगड़ते हुए निकल रहे हैं। हम घूमने जाते हैं तो जब जाते हैं फ़ोटो खिंचाते हैं तो ये ऐसी फ़ोटो आती है और उसके बाद ऐसे हाल होते हैं। कैसे होते हैं? ऐसे 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 लुढ़कते हुए जाते हैं। देखो
Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.